In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename pages in Canva. Renaming pages is a simple way to stay organized, especially when you're working on multi-page designs like presentations, ebooks, proposals, or social media carousels. Clear page names help you find what you need quickly and make exporting or sharing your design much easier. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on the screen, look toward the bottom of the editor for the row of page thumbnails. These are the small previews of each page in your design. Take a moment to scan through and identify the page you want to rename. This might be your title page, an introduction, or a specific section you want to label more clearly. When you've found the page you want to rename, right-click directly on its thumbnail. If you're using a trackpad, you can use a two-finger click or hold the Control key while clicking to bring up the same menu. A small menu will pop up right next to that thumbnail. At the top of this menu, you'll see the current page name. It might be a default like Page 1, or it might already have a label if you've named it before. Click the page name at the top of that menu to start editing it. The text will become editable, and you can type in the new name you want. Keep it short, descriptive, and consistent with the rest of your project. For example, use names like Cover, Overview, Methods, or Conclusion, rather than long sentences. As soon as you enter the text you want, you're done. Canva saves changes automatically, so there's nothing else you need to click. That's all there is to it. You can repeat the same quick process for any other page that needs a clearer label. Renaming pages will not change your design content. It only updates how each page is identified in your project. This helps you stay organized during editing, and those names can also make it easier when you review pages with collaborators or export your design as a multi-page PDF. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Use a consistent naming pattern across all pages, avoid special characters that might look confusing, and stick to names that reflect the purpose of each page. With this straightforward approach, navigating your Canva project becomes faster and much more intuitive. And that's it. Your pages are now clearly labeled, and your workflow just got smoother.